Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing just a few meters away, sunlight streaming through your panoramic window, and the smell of freshly brewed coffee filling your cozy home on wheels. Now picture yourself stepping into a real bathroom, not a cramped cubicle, but a full-size shower and toilet setup that feels like something from a boutique hotel. That's not a dream anymore. It's the all-new 2026 Dethleffs Globetrail 600. DS, this is more than just a camper van. It's freedom on four wheels, built for people who crave adventure without giving up comfort or class. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we're taking a full tour inside and out, exploring why the Globetrail 600 DS might just be the most practical yet luxurious camper van of 2026. Let's start with the exterior, where Dethleffs' signature German precision meets modern road presence. At first glance, the 600 DS looks sleek, compact, and athletic. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato platform, it carries that familiar stance, wide, confident, and perfectly balanced between mobility and strength. The 2026 model year brings subtle design updates, sharper LED daytime running lights, refined body lines, and new alloy wheel designs that make it look every bit like a modern luxury van. But what stands out most is how practical this van is for real-world adventures. At just under 6 meters in length, it's easy to park anywhere, from mountain passes to city centers, yet it packs an interior that feels far bigger than you'd expect. A high roof line, discreet windows, and that distinctive Dethleffs logo on the rear doors. It's a van that looks equally good on a scenic coastal road or in your driveway at home. Step inside, and instantly you'll feel the wow factor. The first thing you notice is how bright and open everything feels. The designers have clearly prioritized natural light with large side windows, a skylight above the lounge, and a clean, Scandinavian-inspired color palette that combines light oak wood with soft gray textiles. Now let's start from the front lounge area. Here, the swivel captain's chairs create a comfortable dining or workspace when rotated toward the compact table. The seats themselves are deeply cushioned, wrapped in high-quality fabrics, and perfectly contoured for long drives. The side bench completes the setup, allowing up to 4 people to dine or relax comfortably, ideal for a couple who occasionally entertains guests on the road. Above the cab, there's extra storage for travel gear, jackets, or even a small projector for movie nights. And just behind the lounge, you'll find the heart of this van, the kitchen. Despite its compact footprint, it's impressively well equipped. You get a 2-burner gas hob, a deep stainless steel sink, soft close drawers with clever organizers, and a large compressor fridge that can easily fit fresh groceries for a week. There's even ambient LED lighting running underneath the cabinets, adding a cozy glow at night. But the real headline feature, and what truly separates the Globetrail 600 DS from most camper vans, is this: the full-size bathroom. This isn't one of those awkward corner setups where you have to squeeze around the sink. Here, you get a dedicated shower cabin with solid walls, a proper toilet, and enough standing height even for taller people. The space is smartly designed, with foldable panels that separate the shower from the rest of the interior, keeping everything dry. There's a backlit mirror, towel hooks, integrated storage, and even heating vents to keep the space warm on chilly mornings. For van lifers who love long journeys and wild camping, having a real bathroom like this changes everything. It's comfort, independence, and dignity, all built into a 6-meter van. Moving further back, the rear sleeping area feels surprisingly home-like. You get a large transverse double bed, wide enough for 2 adults, with high-density mattresses that feel more like a proper home bed than a camper setup. Underneath, there's generous storage, perfect for folding chairs, camping gear, or even bikes when needed. The rear doors open wide to create that classic bed with a view moment. Imagine lying back and watching a sunset over the lake, or waking up to a mountain view framed perfectly by your rear windows. It's the kind of scene that makes you fall in love with van life all over again. Of course, comfort means little without a smooth driving experience, and that's another area where Dethleffs has raised the bar. Under the hood, the 600DS is powered by the latest 2.2-liter multi-jet engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It delivers a quiet, responsive, and refined ride, especially on long motorway stretches. The new gearbox is smooth and intelligent, adapting seamlessly whether you're climbing steep mountain passes or cruising through the countryside. With modern driver assistance systems, hill start assist, lane keep support, and advanced braking, this is one of the easiest and safest vans to drive in its class. So what makes the 2026 Globetrail 600DS truly special? It's how Dethleffs blends practicality with a feeling of home. Many camper vans in this category focus on either design or comfort, but rarely both. Here you get genuine livability, a full bathroom, a cozy bed, a functional kitchen, all without the bulk of a larger motorhome. It's perfect for couples who want to explore Europe's narrow roads, take spontaneous weekend getaways, or even live full-time in a compact space without ever feeling limited. So, what do you think of the new Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS? Would you choose this compact design with a full bathroom, or do you prefer a larger motorhome with more lounge space? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. At the end of the day, the Globetrail 600DS isn't just about specs. It's about the feeling of waking up somewhere new every morning with all the comfort you could ever need right at your fingertips. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth motorhome reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest models. Because the road is calling, and your next adventure might just start with this van.